Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today's video is on how to repair the coolant leak and coolant fitting pop-outs on the Porsche 996 Turbo. This is a common problem and many people need to repair this problem. So I'm going to take you through all of the steps in repairing it one way, but there are other ways to repair it as well. The best way, I believe, is to weld the fittings in. I'm not going to be welding them today, but I will be showing you two other ways to repair these pop-outs. So this video is not about me, so I'm going to bring you in close so you can see what I have here on the table, and I'll go through what I plan to do. Okay, so I'll be using my angle drill here probably a lot because there's limited space and you can't really get your full-size drill into all locations. Some locations you can, but some locations it's tough. So an angle drill is going to be useful, and also this little flexible extension. I have a little set of these. These are going to come in very handy. So you might want to get some things like that in advance if you plan to do this job. Additionally, I'm also going to be doing the knurling of the fittings. I'm going to use this, and there's another knurl that I have that it's not here right now. You'll see it when I do it. This just does a straight knurl. The one I'm actually probably use does a diamond knurl pattern, which I think will be better for creating a better bond and better grip on the actual fittings. Now, to do the knurl, I'm going to use, this is just a little piece, let me take this loose so you see it. This is just a piece of sheet rubber, okay, that I've rolled up. Just a piece of like bicycle inner tube type rubber. Not bicycle inner tube, but basically the same thing. I'm going to use that to hold the fitting, and then I will use the fitting, I will use a vise to hold this fitting. Okay, and I'll show you this when I do it, but basically this is going to be held in like so, and just so you can see what the vise will be doing, I have this little clamp here. Okay, so just pretend like this is the vise, and it'll hold the fitting like so. And then I put the knurling tool on here, and I'll go around until I have the knurl I want. Alright, so that's what this is for, knurling and fitting. Now, after they're knurled and drilled and tapped, we'll do the final process of reinstalling. And to reinstall, I have a lot of little different sizes of doweling. Okay, I have 1.25 inch, 1 inch, 3/4 inch, 5/8, and you can sand those up and sand those down and build them up with tape to have them fit inside the housings, and also to tap things in without damaging them, cut whatever length you need. So wood doweling is what I plan to use instead of a machined metal. Now, I want to cover the adhesive really quickly, kind of like JB Weld. This is 450 degrees, okay, and this is the 7056AL. I'll show you what's inside of this one. This one comes with a little bit of a different format, but it's going to be a thicker consistency, and I'll be using this to make a little bit of a flange around the edge of the fitting once it's reinstalled. Okay. Yes, I'll be pinning it, but I'm also going to put this around because pinning does not help with weeping. It does not help with leaks. It just helps to keep it from popping out. All right, so now we're going to go down to the car, and I'm going to show you the numbering sequence of the fittings as I have arbitrarily assigned them, 1 through 7. I cannot reach number 8, but I will be doing 1 through 7. Additionally, I'll be doing two separate videos, one on how to repressurize the cooling system using this tool. So you use vacuum. You will vacuum install the coolant using this tool. I'll do a separate video on how to use this tool. And also I'll be doing a separate video on how to remove the power steering reservoir, which is a little bit of a process. And I might do one on how to remove the alternator, but most of you guys know how to do that already, so I don't know. Anyway, I've talked enough. Let's head down to the garage and remove some fittings with some heat. See you in the garage.